Oh, yes. Oh, okay. My bad.
These ain't broke in yet.
I was gonna say, what you done switched up since the last time I seen it?
Well, I gave her my V1s.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
This is version 2 here you got.
yeah, these are the V2. They still
With the carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's see here if this is the right one. Yeah, this one. All right. Let me get a video. I gotta get a video with BASSWITHKEV, man. My dude right here. Yeah, it's going. BASSWITHKEV in Tennessee, no wall.
Look at here. Second and we fucking like she nigga be on. Too much on my mind right now.
Brand new stuff.
Yeah, they're still. Here, hold on, we'll see. Like, I'm not even getting no power yet. I'm doing one, and I'm rising almost 4 on it.
Are you way up there?
I'm not getting no power at all.
It ain't like the last.
No, nothing like
You
I still do 60,
yeah,
but it ain't.
It ain't like you was at first.
No, it ain't.
What you doing to keep that voltage up like this?
Huh?
How you keeping that voltage up like this?
Got 190 amp hours max.
Ah, okay. You got a big one.
dropping that beat.
Yo, get it twisted. This rap shit is mine, motherfuckers. Fuck what you. It's what you hearing. It's what you hearing. Listen. It's what you hearing. Listen. It's what you hearing. Listen. Damn right, and I do it. Bitch, please.
I noticed it.
863 watts per amp is all I'm getting.
I noticed it. It was riding like 3 ohms or something like that.
Yeah, I'm not getting. But the good news is that I'm gonna be coming with a little something.
You gonna recon?
No, I'm actually gonna add some shit to it.
You only run these 2 amps, right? Just these 2 for right now.
No, I'm running 14 Ks in here, but I got hell to ride.
Oh, it's on up under there.
Yeah, see 'em
Oh,
back.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm blessed. It's DJ Jesus Marquez. Don't text your people, they shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not so.
Seeing much at all.
I'm basically getting about 5K in here. That's times 4. So I'm rising
A lot.
almost to 3 on. So.
You got a plan, don't you?
Well, yeah, I might have a little something up my sleeve, man.
I know you got a plan.
I know you're gonna put this on YouTube, so I ain't gonna say
We ain't
nothing
gonna
right
we ain't gonna talk about it right here.
now. We ain't gonna talk about it, but we might do a little something light out here in Tennessee,
Yeah,
man.
you know we gonna do it again.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah,
Come see me at finals.
we gonna do it again.
I'll let you sit in.
Before
It'll be a little different.
Hopefully you don't blow nothing before I catch you.
No, never that.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Let's do it. Man, House of Boom, y'all know how they do it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I sure appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.